Hey guys, so this video is going to be about Darjeeling vlog. I'm on the 7 nights and 8 days trip planned பண்ணிருந்தோம். So which covers North Sikkim, Gangtok and Darjeeling as well. So Darjeeling பெருசா ஒன்றும் பார்க்கறதுக்கு இல்லைன்றனால so we planned the last day of our entire trip to Darjeeling. So in this video we're going to cover all the places to visit in Darjeeling, the important sightseeing places to visit in Darjeeling, and then best food to try in Darjeeling, and also where to shop. We're going to cover everything in this vlog. So if you're a person who's planning to visit Darjeeling, then this video might be helpful for you. So stay tuned.
Guys, these are the top places that you can visit while you are in Darjeeling. Zoo Mattu is off on Thursday, so plan your schedule accordingly. And then next comes the best places to eat. So இது எல்லாமே top restaurants here to try.
We reached Darjeeling around 5 p.m. in the evening, and on the way we did river rafting as well, and you can also find our Sikkim and Gangtok vlogs. The link is in the description below.
So now we have just refreshed and we are going to head to Mall Road. So there are a lot of places to shop here and try out some good food. So let's see how it is.
Well, North the momos is one of the common food. You can find it everywhere, and we tried it first. And then we moved to a restaurant called The Park. So this is one of the famous restaurants in Darjeeling. It is a chili momo. It is a Tibetan style the sauce add பண்ணிருக்காங்க, and a lot of garlic, onions and capsicum as well. It's saucy and overall it's really good. So this is prawns Thai rice noodles. So கொஞ்சம் ஹார்டா இருக்கிற மாதிரி எனக்கு ஃபீல் ஆகுது இந்த noodles. Prawns really well cooked, and they have added some peanuts as well with some vegetables. So overall it's decent.
So guys, it's almost 3:45 a.m. in the morning and our itinerary is beginning very early, and we are heading to Tiger Hills right now to witness the sunrise. So sunrise was really beautiful there because we could witness the sunrise and the light reflecting on Kanchenjunga. So the entire place was really pretty. But on the Tiger Hills one, there was not really comfortable, I would say, because there were no proper amenities there and it was really cold. So that was the only drawback there. This was my first time ever witnessing a sunrise near the mountains. So this was a very beautiful experience indeed. This is the daylight view of Tiger Hills, and now we are heading to another destination.
Guys, we are in Goom Monastery. So I'm not sure what's the speciality of this place. Let's go and find out. Hey guys, இப்போ நாங்க Goom Monasteryல இருக்கோம். So Darjeelingல there are two monasteries, famous ones. One is this Goom Monastery. It's also called as the Samten Chowling Monastery, and the other one is the
Yuga Chowling Monastery.
Yeah. So இது ரெண்டுமே one of the oldest monasteries. So British timesல இருந்தே இங்க இருக்கு. So இந்த monasteryல என்ன ஸ்பெஷல் அப்படினா, there's a Buddha statue which is almost 26 feet high. And apart from that, there's a beautiful view from this monastery to look at Kanchenjunga.
Yeah, and also there is a small cafe in this monastery. So we just had some small snacks and chai here.
So this is how it looks inside the monastery, where they have depicted different stories of Buddha, and there are many idols of the same. And this is the main statue of Lord Buddha here.
Now, Goom Monastery பார்த்துட்டு we came across this place called Batasia Eco Garden. Well, the famous Darjeeling toy train in the park where Yadam Pogo, and it is an excellent place for photo shoots, and you can also see Mount Kanchenjunga from here.
So we are in Peace Pagoda right now. So this is the famous Japanese temple here. The landscaping is very pretty and the temple is really peaceful and calm. We are going on the top where there's a prayer chanting going on. Welcome to Peace Pagoda.
Well, the highlight of the place in there are 4 statues of Buddha, and then அவருடைய ஸ்டோரிஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து அழகாக என்கிரேவ் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க on the wall. So it's really a nice place to visit and relax.
Hey guys, we are at Peace Pagoda. So in the Peace Pagoda is a Japanese temple in Darjeeling. There are a lot of these kind of temples are all around the world, but inga nammaloda India la Darjeeling la is one of the famous Japanese temple. So inga vandu there is a depiction of 4 different types of Buddhas that's famously worshipped. So in the temple vandu is very calm and soothing, and there are 2 parts to it. This one the place that I am standing, there are 4 different idols of Buddha, and then there's another main temple where they conduct prayers. So inga the prayers எப்படி conduct பண்றாங்கன்னா, they have something like a drum மாதிரி இருக்கு. So அது வந்து கோபோன்ற மாதிரி சொல்றாங்க. So அந்த drum tap பண்ணிட்டு they have some ஒரு line of prayer சொல்றாங்க. So they basically want to promote peace and prosperity irrespective of all the races and religions. Number when we go to that prayer, we can participate in it like a small or drum madri irukku with a stick, wooden stick. So nammlu adhe beats we can also tap along and join the prayer.
Then we came to experience this Darjeeling famous cable car, which is also called as ropeway. Per head க்கு வந்து 260 rupees collect பண்றாங்க, and இங்கிருந்து you can get to see the clear view of Darjeeling and also the tree plantations over there.
Hey guys.
So we are on our ropeway, which is also called as cable car tour. So it's basically a 40-minute ride. So 20 minutes from point A to point B, and from point B you can actually get down. And this, and you can take a couple of photos because this ropeway is on tea plantations. So tea plantations கிட்ட போய் நம்ம photos எடுத்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் கூட you can get into another cable car and come. So நாங்க we are coming back. So எங்களுக்கு பிரைவேட்டா கிடைச்சிருச்சு. யூசுவலா இங்க they try to accommodate 6 people here. So but then we are coming back alone. So we have a private cable car.
Well, since we don't have any other place to visit, we came to a place called Tibetan Refugee Center. Well, இங்க Tibetans உடைய lifestyle எப்படி refugees வந்தாங்கன்ற details எல்லாம் போட்டிருந்தாங்க. And also we could see their handwork, weaving, carpentering, and they are selling their products as well. So we can buy their products from them directly. And this place is closed during Sundays.
Now we have reached the tea gardens. So there are different tea gardens here in Darjeeling, and these are some of the famous ones that we are seeing right now.
Well, there's a place called Tenzing Rock where you can experience rock climbing.
Hey guys, so we have come to this famous restaurant here in Darjeeling. இது பேர் Tunga restaurant. So இங்க proper Chinese food and Tibetan style food கிடைக்கும்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. இந்த rating is like one of the best ratings கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So we're going to try a lot of dishes and see how it is.
And it is a small place, ரொம்ப சின்ன place da, and we had to wait for our table. So let's see if it's worth the hype.
Yeah. எப்படி இருக்கு? Is it worth the hype? The momos?
One of the best momos I've ever had.
Ah.
We've tried chow mein at different places, but this chow mein is the best. This is called tupka. The flavor is good, but it's little subtle. Like it's not spicy. It's not. It doesn't have a strong spices and all. So it's really good, but it's not that spicy as like how we.
Well, we are at the famous Mall Road, which is a very happening place in Darjeeling. And look at the crowd and the lights. It's so pretty here.
Well, nearby Mall Road, there's one mall market. This is one of the best place to shop. You will get all kinds of winter wears and a lot of accessories at discounted rates. Well, Mall Road, you can find this one of the famous and oldest shops, Habib Mulik and Son. It was started during 1890s. Here you can find a lot of winter wear artifacts and a lot of products you can find, and you can purchase it from here. Well, Darjeeling, you can find a lot of street foods. So Nehru Road, Mall Road, you can find a lot of them.
We also came to check out this famous place, which is good for breakfast, especially English breakfast, and there are a lot of pastries and cakes available here. So we're going to try them now. We are heading back to Chennai right now, and as you can see, the roads are really congested because of the train track, so this is the only drawback I would say. Now we have reached the airport and we'll see you all in Chennai again. Hey guys, so we have finally come to an end of our tour. So நாங்கள் டார்ஜிலிங்ல இருந்து we are heading back to Chennai, so this is our last day. I hope you really liked our Darjeeling vlogs as well as North Sikkim vlogs. So கொஞ்சம் இன்ஃபர்மேட்டிவாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So we've shared all the details of this tour plan. So if you like this video, please give your like and also share your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.